Back in action here on Barry's 66.
Working on his Cadillac.
in. So, in our last episode, we saw how effed the uppers were because they did not have proper anything.
I'm going to play with Barry's nut.
Ooh. Don't do it too much, you might like it.
Hey, it's been a while. I might like it too.
Oh, God. So, as we saw, the arms were not even correct, really.
Yeah, they're completely wrong. Ball joints were
Wrong.
jacked up completely. As you can see here, this is how it's supposed to look. And ours were just non-existent and spinning.
Yep. These...
No threads left on the ball joint itself to hold it in place. The eccentrics had spun multiple times and gouged them into next Tuesday.
So these, we gave our friends over at CJ Classic Cadillac Parts. Shameless plug. Ooh, glare. There we go. Okay, we all get it. They're over there in New Jersey, way on the other side of the country. But give them a ring. We got our spindles from them earlier. They organize everything. Look at this. They took care of us. They got us a set of arms. They pulled them, checked them for square,
And
even the minute details of the grounds.
yes, I mean, just utterly, utterly amazing.
Yeah, everything is perfection. That's why I have one up. We have one upside down, one right side up, so you can see both sides. Just how spectacular and
just
nice they are.
Literally, I'm just flabbergasted.
Scotty's on one. Yeah. So they are absolutely incredible. Great work, the gang over at CJ's. Why are you smelling the arm?
They smell good.
As long as you're not licking them.
I'm gonna be.
Are you gonna take one to the bathroom and
Just give me a minute.
give it a glaze? Christen it.
We'll give it a shiny finish.
You mean sticky finish?
Well, same thing, sticky, shiny. You know, it's all good in the hood. I mean, it's. We'll take care of it properly, sir.
Yeah, it'd be nice. So, here we are, kicking ass, taking names, and big shout out to our friends over at CJ's. They are always, always, always doing good and saving us. They even label which side's which. They have everything set. You can't go wrong, man. I mean, their pricing is better than USA Auto Parts was for the same thing.
No, we're not giving out pricing. We don't do that because if things change on their catalogs, now we look like something. No.
Yeah.
Let's just say it is an amazing price for what you get.
For what you get,
and
great
it's
price.
Actually cheaper to do it this way than to buy the individual components.
Than to buy everything and do it on our end. Yeah. Absolutely. But there it is.
And we will get back to work and get back at you on the next video.
And
Deuces! I don't care what anybody says. You cannot. You can't. It's just going to spin and spin and spin. There's no resistance. My dumbass didn't know because it's been so many years since I've worked on some of these cars.
oh yeah, you can stick it in the back door, so to speak.
Gives a new meaning to the word bottom.
Would that be a power bottom?
No, that would be my whole arm up in there. And still never banging. I bang the crap out of the sides, but never reach the bottom.
Okay, we went too far on this one. Look at you. Go, Scotty, go. Go.
And, come on. Give me that nut. Give me that nut. Give me the money shot.
Not the first time you said that on a Monday morning before 9 o'clock.
Hey, don't give away all my secrets.
Hey.
I mean, come on.
Sometimes you just gotta work it. Now you're fingering the nut from behind. God, our videos are so fucking inappropriate.
Come on. Drop that nut, bitch. And survey says, ka-ching.
Not pregnant because it's on the floor. Are you pulling out?
Shh. Don't give away all my secrets. I told you, dude. I'm trying to stay mysterious.
Everything's a dirty joke for us. It's great. You're lubed up.
For his or her pleasure, depending on my mood.
If you love her, lube her. If you don't like her, just stick it in dry. Rotate it. There you go. Another left. Ooh, there you go. Ooh. Work it. Work it. Strike a pose. Vogue. Vogue. Work it. Cover go!
What 'tis I'm missing?
Probably touching that fucking AC line.
Yeah!
It should just pull right out.
Nope. AC line's in the way. So I'll let you,
Go up there and pull out.
because I am, pull out completely, please. Last time you left spots everywhere.
Oh.
And kind of either do something with the AC lines, because this is not going to come out and I'm not
magic.
going to damage anything.
Gotcha. On it.